Does he have it? Alright, I'm gonna let him run for a second. No, just keep reeling just like that. Oh! Did he just come off? No, he's coming at us. Yeah, he's right there. Yeah. Oh. I love shark fishing during the day a lot better than nighttime. Why is this guy not jumping? Are we gonna tail rope this guy? In the mouth? Really?
Sharks, you can kill them. You want to try to hit them in the gill plate is the best place to get the gap together.
Shoulders out of my freaking sockets.
Oh, that's good football training. Play football, don't you?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes!
Look at that thing hanging up.
It's a little remora.
David caught one of those.
Oh.